My bad, my bad. Slim and the Supreme Angels. That man said the people don't do like they used to do. Ain't that the truth right there? Said the preacher don't preach the way he used to preach. Used to preach out the holy book. Now all they talk about is your pocketbook. They don't do. That's good stuff right there. He said the singer don't sing. Oh, let me stop. The women don't dress. Anybody know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all. Let's go in. We got to listen today. Essentially, we got some blues gospel, right? Some bluesy gospel, which is quartet. We in quartet, okay? We got some bluesy gospel going on, man. I don't know if this is I'm gonna call it Kid A, even though we like in like a little. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna say Kid A, but we're really playing A minor. Maybe Kid A minor is also Kid C. I don't know, but it sounds good when you play it. All right. What we got? We're gonna be real heavy on this chord right here. It's an A minor 7. But we're not just gonna play it to stand alone. We might bounce it from this G. You know your G is right here too. That string right there. How about I give it to you real simple? If you playing on one string, or one note per string, you can do A, and then it's gonna walk up. Alright, and then we'll go back to A. And on the turnaround, we're gonna do. Alright, all we're doing is going back and forth between that E. Back and forth between that E and that D. And then we land it right there to finish up, okay? Alright, and this was when it comes to chords, and I'm gonna hit some lead stuff in there. I'm gonna fill it up. So I'm hitting. You can make that minor. I mean, not minor. Dominant 7. And then we're gonna go to the D. I play a D7 since we're talking blues. All the while I'm hitting these A minor licks. But I'm hitting it. So really, all right. So and then on our turnaround, I'm hitting the E7, E dominant 7, and then it go. So that E flat 7, E flat E, excuse me, E7. It's gonna bounce in between. It's gonna use this. That's an E flat 7 to my D7. E flat to my. So you see how the E flat is kind of this little pivot. It's really just a pass by tone. You can get away with saying. You can get away with that. If that's all you got, that's all you got. But that, yeah. You see, we just bouncing in between, okay? And then we're going back home. It get country. It get real. It can get real country. Just stuff like that all day, all day, and that's the blues, right? look, let's play. Let's play with the song. Let's play with the song. We got the track right here. You hear that, G? Listen, up to the D. You hear, Walker? All right. Wait. Let's talk about that walk real quick, and then we're gonna get back to playing. Okay? That walk, since we in minorish land, what I'm hearing is, okay. So I'm hearing it walk. Okay, so. D7. So, and I mean, you could probably walk it up all the way with 7s. All right. Woo! That's the. Yeah. I keep missing that G, but y'all ain't gotta miss it like me. Y'all hear that walk up? Listen for the walk up. Woo! I'm just playing. To me that works. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I don't know exactly what they playing. I don't see his hands or nothing right here. I think this Sugar Hot Tower. Woo! That's what I'm hearing. What are y'all hearing? Y'all tell me what y'all gonna play. What y'all gonna play on this? What y'all gonna play on this? I hope this helps somebody. Ain't nothing like some good old bluesy gospel, right? Right? What is it? The preacher don't preach. And then. That's all I got. That's all I got, y'all. That's all I got. I hope that blesses you, okay? Play around with that. Let me hear what you get out of it. Come back and help me learn it, okay? Come back and help me learn it. I love y'all. Thank y'all, okay? So much. Bye-bye.